What the hell are we
Well, yeah,
watching?
but no. Well,
I don't want to watch this one. Come on, man.
you are really breaking my balls, dude.
What the fuck is that? Family Guy.
Yeah, it's always there. You guys never watch porn.
I'm sorry I don't keep up on my porn with you, Aaron.
Yeah, come on, Aaron.
I don't. It's over there every time. Or a different Family Guy one. Where is it?
Oh my god.
I know, I don't want it.
No, this is...
This is so nice. Oh, that's the one. This is it.
this is not probably what I want to see.
No.
Of course, fucking freezes right fucking now.
For some reason I'm not that sad about that.
I'm gonna-
Any of us are.
I'm completely fine with it.
Do people actually whack off to this?
Mm-hmm.
That's gross.
I did.
Oh,
God, Aaron.
Aaron, come on.
Austin probably does.
Austin Proud does.
This whole thing's being recorded, guys.
I'll keep it going.
Okay.
Okay. Yep. Apparently, when I go get viruses, I can't use my PS3 anymore.
Great. I mean, if you don't
I
watch
farted.
it, sucks.
You
And I gotta unplug it.
What?
don't do shit in my house.
That was the only good part of that video.
My video sucks. And that comes up and I'm like, what the?
That made it better. Like, that made it a good video.
This is getting recorded.
Hit him the ball.
Adam State. You got a very, very bad
I feel so
spine.
bad. I hit him.